Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review, including plans and promotions, are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using Kogan Internet. In this Kogan Internet provider review, I'll share my usage experience and offer a comprehensive overview. Kogan Internet is a budget-friendly and user-friendly internet service provider designed for cost-conscious Australians. For the most up-to-date deals and plan information, be sure to check the links provided in the description below. Kogan Internet utilizes the Vodafone NBN network and provides a variety of plans across different speed tiers, including NBN 25, NBN 50, and NBN 100. This range caters to a diverse user base, from individuals in single households requiring basic internet access to families who need higher speeds for simultaneous streaming and gaming. Kogan Internet focuses on providing reliable connectivity without the extra features or high prices often associated with larger internet providers. A key advantage of Kogan Internet is its highly competitive pricing. Their plans are consistently among the most affordable on the market, and they often offer enticing introductory discounts for new subscribers. All of their plans come with unlimited data, eliminating concerns about data caps or overage charges for heavy internet users. Furthermore, Kogan Internet offers no lock-in contracts, providing the freedom to change or cancel your plan without incurring penalties. Setting up your Kogan Internet service is designed to be straightforward. You can opt to bring your own modem, BYO, to save on initial costs, or you can purchase a pre-configured modem directly from Kogan for a more convenient setup. The installation process is simple, and their online account management system allows you to easily track your usage and update your plan as needed. While Kogan Internet excels in affordability, it's important to note that their customer support is primarily online, accessible via email and chat rather than phone. This digital-first approach, while in line with their cost-saving strategy, might not be suitable for everyone. Additionally, as Kogan Internet operates on the Vodafone NBN network, performance and reliability are contingent upon the Vodafone infrastructure in your specific location. Overall, Kogan Internet is an excellent choice for those prioritizing a low-cost, no-frills internet service. It's a particularly appealing option for budget-minded individuals and households seeking simplicity and value. Remember to check out the links in the description for detailed plan information and current promotions.